You're watching today's video technical update presented by FXTimes. It is Tuesday, June 8th, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex markets. First, I'll take a look at the Elliott Wave count for the euro-dollar pair. Also, I have been tracking the pound-yen, which dropped in the European session but is now in a correction rally. The Aussie dollar gained as commodity currencies tracked precious metal gains, such as in gold. And the gold reached a historic high but corrected in the US session as stocks gained, limiting its flight to safety appeal. This video is being produced at about 4:45 p.m. Eastern Time near the end of the US session. Here's a look at the euro dollar. I have this in a daily time frame. We're currently in a C wave here. The recent projection here is to 117, but let's take a look at the bigger context. For now, these waves are not resolved, so these are, it's possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is your first 1, 2, and then we have one more 3, 4, 5 to complete the C wave. Okay, so basically C wave is an impulse wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we just have to resolve the internals at the moment. What's important, however, more important in the lower time frame, if you are trading, is to look at the 4-hour time frame. Here we have the market, so wave 1, 2, and we're here with 1, 2 of 3. Here we finished a triangle, and now we have a breakout. So this is onto the third wave. Breakout, we have a pause here, so this could maybe within the structure, this first 1, 2 wave. So we're gonna go down to the 1-hour time frame. So here, so after we finished E here, A, B, C, D, E, that's the triangle. Then we started to possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your first wave of the third wave. So first wave of this third wave is yet to be complete. So looking here, that first wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, we may, E may be over here. So after we complete this, if the market breaks to the bottom, which is my opinion at the moment, if the market breaks to the bottom and we use this equality, then we have a projection to 1.18 to finish this wave 5 here, which is the wave, which would be wave 3 here. Okay, and we still have 4 or 5 to go. But main thing right now is not to worry about, for me at least, is not to worry about the overall count at the moment and just deal with the internals coming out. So in the 1-hour time frame, this is a possible next downswing if this correction is complete as wave 4. Okay, if this count is valid, then we know that the market cannot come back up above this low here. That's it for the euro dollar for now. Here's a look at the pound yen pair. Daily time frame. Let's zoom out a little bit. This is possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're possibly in wave 5. Within 1, 2, so third wave of wave 5. Here we have a negative reversal. So this is a projection to 123. Okay, so that's the setup. 4-hour time frame, we are looking like we're setting up a head and shoulders here. 131 the neckline, supported so far. Also have a negative reversal in this 4-hour time frame, suggesting 123, but we do see support at 128 as well. So that's more of the short-term intermediate term, while 123 is a longer intermediate term. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. So today if you check the Trader's Journal, I've been stalking this pair and this rally. We had some false signals here, where if you didn't wait for a second swing, you may have whipsawed having a bearish outlook. So here you had this one swing, and then this is a second swing, and it's nearing equality of it, although we have a lot of support resistance at the moment. Here we have 61.8% at the 132.30 level. We have the moving average, 200 moving average. So in any case, this is and it's this previous high here. So a lot of resistance. We'll see if the market can go through it. But even if it does, this is a equality of a swing, so there could be some resistance at 132.50, slightly penetrating this resistance zone. Okay, so that's it for now. Here, this is no longer valid. This is engulfing. That was the plan if there was no pullback, and the pullback here was very strong. So now we have to move this up here. So in the meantime, we see that this is the market has become a ranging market in the short term, so we can't expect a downswing to go straight to 128 because in this near term we are looking at consolidation. So if we do see topping, we should have near term outlook towards the 131, 130 area here. 130.50 area, which is this previous low. Okay, so that's it in the near term, but we know in the longer term, intermediate term, 128 and 123 are the targets, and breaking below 131 would help that probability. Okay. Finally, a look at Aussie dollar and gold against the dollar. Here, the Aussie dollar against the US dollar, we see that today a very strong bullish move. Supported here at the 0.81 level. So the market shows an engulfing pattern, shows that this consolidation is not yet over. Looking at 4-hour time frame, we see that we could target this level right here, this previous power line here, which is at around 83.60 level. Let me zoom in a little more. Get rid of that. Put this Fibonacci layout, and you see this 83.60 area is this very important 61.8% retracement level, and that may be confluent with the simple moving 50 simple moving average. Okay, as well as this declining trend line here. Okay, so that's you should be stalking this rally to see if it tops off around this area. So the Aussie was gaining today, and you see this correlation with gold. Here's a daily. You see these gains, but Aussie and gold really has broken some correlations, except at certain times. The gold has more to do with flight to safety, and Australian economy has been more important to the Aussie dollar. So here you see gold rallying. Here we have consolidation, but it's in this bullish mode. In the Australian dollar, we saw the Aussie pretty much consolidating. Here we match that rally in gold, but we have been Aussie has dropped because of economic anticipation of some economic slowdown. Okay, so gold here is strong and made here tested this broke above this historic high. In the 4-hour time frame, we see that at the end of the US session, however, it's came back down a little bit. The flight to safety was not as appealing at the moment because of risk appetite. Okay, but again, gold is still strong. Aussie, however, is weak at the moment. That's it for today. Visit FXTimes.com for more analysis updates, my trading journal, live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at FX Times, wishing you good trading.